Hello friends, in last lecture or in last video we have seen four different points of need and importance of business communication, and now we are going to start this fifth point of need and importance of communication. Before that, just I want to revise the points which we people have seen in last video. We have seen four different points, and those four different points are information to management, information to employees, improvement in morale, and building relationships. So we have seen how the relationships are built in case of business organization, and they have to build relationship with two different factors and two different elements, and those are insiders and outsiders. So moving to the next point of need and importance of business communication, and that is sale of goods and services. So see, as far as sale and goods and services are concerned, some organizations are dealing with goods and some organizations are dealing with services. So friends, whenever they want to sell their goods and services, they should have some customers. They should have some persons, those who are going to buy the goods, that can be called as buyers. So friends, as far as when we want to create good relationship with buyers or buyers or the person who is going to buy our goods, there should be a proper relationship between these two. And if you want to go for the sale of goods and services to customers or to buyers, there is a role of communication. So anyhow, any business organization has to create a very good relationship with the buyers and the person called customer. So they have to satisfy the needs of customer by using different means of communication. Time to time, they have to make them aware about the new products and new services which are launched by the business, which are given by the organizations. Whatever changes are taken place, those should be communicated to them time to time. Then only they can be in touch with the customer, they can be in touch with the buyers, and this is what this kind of policy is required to go for sale of goods and services of the business and organization. If they go for proper way of communication, definitely they can increase their sales of goods and services in future. So friends, as far as this point is concerned, they have to communicate to their employees, and they have to make their customers update by giving information by using right mode of communication. Next one, that is report to owner. So see, there is a role of communication whenever we want to report to our owner about the growth of the business, about the progress of the business, and there also there is a role of communication while reporting. So reporting can be done through by using two different methods. First one is oral reporting and second one is written reporting. So in case of oral reporting, whatever media you are using using for the purpose of reporting, that is also important as far as communication is concerned. And another one is written reporting. In case of written reporting also, what sort of media you are using for the purpose of reporting, that is also important. And this is what there is a role of communication in case of reporting to owner, and that one is the another importance of business communication. Moving to the another one, report to government. Not only business has to report to the owner or the organization has to report to the owner, they have to report to governments on several or for frequently. So in that case, whatever requirement of the government is, the government will inform to the business organization to fulfill the requirements. And if you want to fulfill the requirements, those can be fulfilled by communicating to the government authorities. So whatever they want to communicate with the government authorities, that can be in the form of forms and procedures that we need to communicate to the government. And in case of that particular formalities to be done with the government, that can be done with the use of communication. And for that purpose, business organization has to select a right media, a right channel of communication whenever they want to communicate with the government agencies and government authorities. So in that case also, there is a use of communication while reporting to the government. Another one, that is creates goodwill. If there is a proper communication system in every organization or in every business organization, definitely it will create a goodwill of the organization. People will know that organization because of the communication system that they have installed in the business organization. So sometimes we can say that, and every business organization has to take care of this thing. If they have very good communication system in the organization, it will definitely useful for the business organization to raise the rapport, to raise the goodwill of business organization. So this is what we can say This kind of thing is also important whenever we want to go for creating the goodwill of a business organization. So if you have very good communication system, if you are very good in communication, if you are taking a brief idea about your communication system that you are using in the business organization, then we can say the communication system is strong, and that will create a good rapport among the customers, among the investors, among the government agencies and all. And this is what this will create, and this way it will create a good goodwill or goodwill of the business organization of that particular business. So this much for need and importance of business communication. So many points are still left. We are going to see those points in next video. Till then, stay connected, stay online. Thank you.